Hello YouTube. This is Gravity Let's Plays a new game today. I'm playing Red Dead Revolver. I would like to thank I'll be putting them in the comments below because I do not know all of them by heart. But yeah, I'll just name in the comments below all the people who helped me decide on a vote I did earlier in my hangouts of what new upload I should do, and I decided to do this because it got tricky between Red Dead Revolver and Crash Bandicoot. So I'm gonna be doing this today. I guess since this is kind of new game, I'm just gonna go with red. Whoops. No, let's just go with gravity.
I had to take this back to the temple immediately. No way! You just got it working! Yeah, you gotta do some donating after that. At least it doesn't. Babies doesn't. Seriously, Steven, you've been under a lot of pressure. Don't you think you deserve to have a little fun?
Grab it. Oh crap. I do not know how to spell my own name. Grab it. Oh. Grab. Look at that eye.
You really got the hang of that thing, huh?
There. We got gravity.
Yeah, it always looks
End.
I should really get back to the gems though. Right after I jumped that haystack.
Oh yeah, new. Let's begin with chapter 1, Bullseye. I did just get more data, so let's see how many chapters I can do per playthrough. If you like this series, like, comment, subscribe for more. Let me just turn this up just in case.
Darling! Son! Our troubles are finally over. We hit a vein of gold as wide as a locomotive that runs clean through Bear Mountain.
Hey, Pa, where'd you get that?
Isn't she a beaut?
Yeah. Can I hold it?
She's one of a pair, only two in the whole world.
Where's the other one?
My partner Griff has it. We made him up special to symbolize our newfound web.
Can I try it out?
One day this fine weapon will be yours. But for now, why don't you take my old pistol? Go on down to the river and practice while I give your mom her gifts.
Of all places. Gordon? I don't know where you get all protecting defenseless humans in your deadbeat skate park. Gordon! It's me, Steven! Can you hear me? Gordon! And if you think you'll say here, then I'm gonna get you. You don't. Now! Gordon! Still comes at it! Steven's in there.
Really clash.
What were you doing? You found Paradox's cave pod and you told him to get us immediately? Dude, we almost wrecked you. Steven, this is an extra. Cut it some slack.
It's not his fault. Just want to be a DJ. What? We just wanted Steven to have some fun. I don't know what's going on with aliens trying to abduct us.
There, now they're inverted. I don't like it like the other one.
I'm sure whatever you're having to do.
Ah, I missed! Oh wait, I got it.
Once in a while.
He's just a kid.
Time for the head.
Maybe.
Oh. Let's get a headshot, guys. Boom, 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 boom. All on the first try. You got them all. Not shooting dicks.
Carlo, what are you doing to my pots and pans?
What are you doing?
Now don't henpeck the boy. Next trip into town, I'll buy you a whole bunch of new pots and pans.
Oh, sorry about that.
Red, up the hill quick, boy. We're getting raided.
I'm coming, Pop.
The kid's down by the river. Go get him. You better shoot to kill, boy. Oh.
Got a headshot. You get money for killing him. I played this for a little before, so I know how long it is.
Dang it, too much gun alive, boy.
Oh, as he was moving!
Come on, Red. It's now or never.
Yeah.
There you are. I'll get you, boy.
Whoa!
Put the gun down, kid.
Oh, damn!
Shoot that little sidewise.
Boom! Headshot.
Go get him.
Boom! Headshot. Boom! Headshot. Dual headshot, boy!
Pop, get up, Pop. Pop,
Such a
Pop, get up, Pop. Pop.
Kid, I reckon your pa's better off dead. Him
Fuck
being
you.
such a yellow belly and all.
Oh, you did not!
Ah!
Ah! Damn. That's had to hurt. That's been chapter 1 of Red Dead Revolver. I'll see if I'm gonna be still continuing. But if you want more, like, comment, and subscribe for more. On the first one I got. Wait, what? You just unlocked a weapon upgrade. On the last one I got the on the other game I have, got both of those. Because I got excellent. Here we go. Here's the guy, fully grown.
Oh, easy there, friend. Come on over here. Come on now. It's too dangerous for a man to be walking around in these parts. Ideally, weapons and goods, see? Yeah.
You want to make sure you buy this knife. Because you'll never see it again. Open the sign. Burnt gun case. Let's go. So weird. On the last game I had, I forgot to buy the knife. Because I didn't know how it works.
I would have offered you more than that. Die, you. Look over here. I am.
Oh, so you only get a few knives.
Come out.
Whoa!
Oh. Use my wagon for cover. Take cover. I'm over here.
Let's end that training.
Find some cover. Come over there and pistol whip your ass. Yeah.
Damn!
Hey, over here. What in the heck are you doing here?
I'm a crazy son of a bitch, that's what I am. Oh, it's time for Deadeye. I love this. Boom! Oh, what the hell? Oh, come on.
Don't mean your bounty hunter's gonna take you. Get ready to meet your maker, bounty hunter. Yeah.
Oh, shoot. That's good. I like my bounties nice and crisp. Oh, shoot. One dead. No, 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 no! No! Where's the other one?
No place you can run.
I got myself a potion.
I'm coming.
Final blow. And after this cutscene,
Damn,
I'll end this
son.
here. This has been
Yeah,
Gary
kill 'em all.
Let's Play
You know, you
Re-
get quite a
Red Dead
handsome bounty
Revolver
for these fellas if you took
Part
them down
1.
to Sheriff O'Grady's in Widow's Patch.
or
I'll be taking
yeah, just part 1 of the Red Dead Revolver.
Well, sure,
Play
whatever you say,
series.
bounty hunter.
I'd like to thank all the people who helped me vote on what I wanted to play. I'll be putting their links to their page into the description below. Thank you to all. Thank you. This has been Gravity vs.